You have to promise. This is how I hold up. Safe while I walk in and potentially get killed. That's how this works in Cammy.
Dude, this is sketch.
Okay, I'm walking in, dude. You just gotta close the door. Okay, close the door. No, you have to stay. Yeah, stay outside. There you go.
Dude, he's freaking.
Okay, I'm going to the roof. Where are you, Brad?
I'm on the roof.
Frickin', are you serious?
Yeah, I'm right here, dude.
Hammer time. Go with the flow. It is said if you can't rule the list, then you probably are dead. So wave your hands in the air. Bust a few moves. Run your fingers through your hair. This is it. For a winner, dance to this, and you're gonna get there. The move, slide your rump. Just for a minute, let's all do the bump. Bump, bump, bump. Yeah. You can't touch this. Look, man. You can't touch this. You better get a height, boy, because you know you can't touch this.
No! I can't swing! I'm an Electro. I'm just gonna loot up, Lance. Just try to find a gun, basically.
The green one? There's an axe in this house, Brad, that we're in. Oh, I unlocked it. Okay, I just opened it and I just closed it.
Yeah, I saw you. Here, open
Okay.
it and.
Should I say let's go out?
Yeah.
Oh, he's knocked out! He's knocked out! Let me kill him!
Hold on. We have to bandage him or something. Handcuff him.
Time up! Yeah, wait.
Do you have anything?
Hold on. I don't have anything. Oh, handcuffs right here.
Handcuff him.
Okay, I handcuffed him. I'm equipping everything. You didn't even ruin any of his stuff. That's
Check his pulse and bandage him at the same time. No, he's still up.
bandage.
He's just got a steady pulse. Just CPR.
He's a morphine. Okay.
I don't know
CPR.
if morphine.
He's up.
Was pimpin' B? Oh.
You know who I am, boy?
Yeah.
My name is Harold, boy.
What's up, Harold?